Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share and give me a thumbs up and like and comment and do whatever you like. Today I'll be talking to you about turmeric tea, which is always known as golden tea. It has a lot of benefits which I actually spoke about in another video, and I'll be linking it down below. So this footage is actually done for the third time because my laptop crashed and I had to redo everything again. So the mug at the end of the video might not be the one on the thumbnail because this is the third time I made the video, and the second time I made the video. Anyway, doesn't matter. So anyway, the tea is the same. That's the point. So I just hope you like this video, and it's very good for cough and cold, and yeah, it's basically good for this season. Whenever it rains, have this tea, and it also boosts up your immunity, so that's another plus point. So now I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to shut up and so you add everything in and then put on the flame, and then you can give it a mix. So this drink is literally done under 5 minutes, so it's not a big hassle, and it is very good for your immunity and your body. So you can have a little bit of this tea every day, and during the monsoon season you can have a big mug. I have a big mug of tea, especially if I have a cough or cold or something, so it is helpful that way. And if you have fresh turmeric, it is even better. So if you have fresh turmeric, don't use store-bought turmeric. And once it starts to bubble, it starts to boil and comes up like this, then you put the flame low and let it bubble, and let it infuse basically. So once it's bubbled for about 2 minutes, you can put off the stove and let it rest for some time, so that all the ingredients get released properly, and also that so that it cools down a bit before you add the honey. As I told you before, honey has to be added when the drink is warm and not hot, other the properties you don't get. So that's about it for this video, and as always, don't forget to live life and love life. Drink this tea and prevent yourself from getting cough and cold, and be healthy this season of monsoon. And as always, thanks for watching.